Hey folks, once again this is a special supplemental thing for seeing how to do linear regression in Desmos for those people that have somehow misplaced their calculator and they need to have something so they can get the work done. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually enter Desmos here and just go in and Google it. You should be able to find. And I'm just going to click on Graphing Calculator, because that's what I'm going to be using here. So next thing I need to do is I'm going to need to click on this button here. I want to add a table. And you can see that I've got my table up from yesterday. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to say 2, 5, 6, 8, and 12. And then I'm going to go over here and enter the 18, 41.5, 50.4, 54.7, and 61.7. Okay, now I'm assuming people are not going to freak out terribly when I say that, yeah, I want to get something that's going to be in y equals mx plus b format. But the problem is I need to tell Desmos exactly where I want to get that information from. So this time, instead of just hitting y, I wanted to look for this y. So I'm going to say y1. And I don't actually need it to be equal. So I'm going to use the tilde symbol, right here. And then I'm going to just say m. Then I'm going to say x. Again, I want this one here, so x1 plus b. And you can see that it's giving me, well, similar information to what I did last time. And hopefully that will be helpful to people. All right, so you've got your slope and you've got your y-intercept. Okay, that's about all there is to it, folks. Good luck, have fun, take care.